are going stinky. Colored. Let me tell you about Dooley, man.
Say Dooley him a ganja planter, but hardcore them a real sound killer. Deep down in Barbados with them keep body down. Hey, you could jump on the idiot. And he said Dooley him a ganja planter, and hardcore them a real sound killer. Deep down in the earth where them put the ganja. Babylon come, get say big stinking sound clash and them want it for who them send for? Them send for real champion. Hardcore international, them fly down. X amount of dog played there in all them man.
Let me show you how you display conscience, cause you's a nutcase. You understand? You play a bunch of crap. You understand? Let me show you how you display conscience.
Hardcore international movement. I'm a say Dooley and Rolly, I say Pablo P, I say Slim.
Easy though, color. I want a jokey DJ for
you. I'm a say Bemas.
Oh, shoot.
Barbados, New York City, Bronx, Miami.
All my doves got Barbados in it too.
Son boy say, oh, yeah.
See when I move by here?
This hardcore and never gonna feel the blue.
See when I move by here, color?
Alright then, we might not big in our body, but we're gonna big and heavy. You this hardcore, you get gunshot. Bang! And from them say a war. Gun them never they far. Rise up the 45, no inch the bus star. Hey, the little jump and select the boy.
Man, you get your head back, bust out.
When Dooley and Rolly play, we kill sound in the night or in a day.
Honestly, right? Honestly, when you gonna play certain tunes, you gotta respect the artist. Don't just cut any shit. You know what I'm saying? I saying it so the people can hear anything too. You know, I see it recording. I smart. Yeah, as you gonna sing.
I.
You know where frog left around you? The heart wasn't clean. That what you say?
Movement.
Huh?
I was a cleaner.
That what you say?
Cleaner than God.
That what you say? Listen how you got conscience. You gonna sing.
Listen. A long talking thing.
Dead end.
Yo, hardcore. This is a prayer to the Father. Guide my steps as you sit on your throne. Show me the way to get the food and the water.
Easy though. Easy though. You keep calling turkey names. That's your business. I live here. I don't eat turkey as a rasta. You stand there. Think it's a food. You see you calling.
Keep bad mind out of my heart.
Keep negative out of my thought.
We know it's easy to free the wrong way. Cause I guide hardcore every day. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts.
Let you pray.
Hardcore and make guide and protect we.
One more color, then tune for tune. Right now it's 11 o'clock. You understand? One more.
Hardcore sound, New York, Barbados, Miami. You know me, I say yo. Gutter Splash, Red Zone, Dark Pound, Get Money. You know me, I say yo.
They go stupid. Listen, tune your punk.
Hardcore sound, play.
Listen, Joe Colored.
Now that we are young and strong and know the ways of life, hardcore survive and we'll survive.
I won't waste some time. Let me get no tune for tune. Come on, let me stick at the people thing. Let me rough here. Guess you know where's a boxer? Get some boxes around that head, no man.
It only got beer chat. You try to set me, you call the people name. You got to say to tell people. You got to say to tell the DJ, say you tell them here, Dooley.
Champion Sound King Earthquake. Connect Culture.
You got to say to tell Turkey, and then you tell them.
What you say?
You hear me, Dooley?
They come in. Jaja see them a run. I King Earthquake, him a murderer. Jaja see them a run. Watch them. King Earthquake, him a murderer.
Stop spreading rumors on me, please. Stop it. It is not nice.
Yay! Here we come again. Hardcore international Bajan flavor.
Colored, stop spreading rumors on me.
Yo! Don't follow no rumors, you know, sound boy.
Stop it. It's not nice. If you hear something about me, ask me. Don't go and spread it and call people names and Dooley said. Listen.
If you should hear something about hardcore,
Carlton Livingston, listen.
Come tell it to it. Come tell it to it.
People, Colored is an informer. Listen.
Don't follow what another sound white play.
You got a Blackberry, use broadcast more than Blackberry.
Hardcore.
Huh?
It leads the way.
Colored, see people things and left them.
Don't follow rumors. Don't follow rumors. Hardcore at the flavor side.
Dooley, you're easy, boy, Dooley.
Girl, no.
Hear what, Dooley, hear what. Take control for Juno. Let me play some big Juno.
Oh, I'm so used to this song. I'm in the mood to kill a song. Earthquake, come, let's throw one down.
Let me go, Dooley.
Either read him, cause I've got a feeling. Oh, Lord.
Colored. You know in the mood to kill us. So I think one kill you every day, and you know get in the mood. You serious? You gonna be stupid. Listen to what John Hogan tell you. Listen.
It look like the sound boy fool or something. Don't you say hardcore? It is the #1 sound. Saying I'm on January.
Listen, you little punk.
Crush a sound tonight. Saying
John
no
what?
respect, just enough disrespect.
Colored, I don't going dance longer than you. You might be older than me. I don't even know. But you see, anytime I come in Barbados, I got a school open in St. George. Do I tell you?
Sound boy, come to hardcore school. Let him teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself. Because tonight you know you got...
Listen, John, what Colored?
Hardcore say you a burial camp. Hardcore say you a burial camp. Sound boy.
You play that, I can't play that, Dooley.
One step, cause you know sir.
You know what I can tell you to do with your laptop, man?
They are.
You see when you get on the plane?
They are twin down.
Are you getting in the middle of the ocean here?
The killer sound.
Joe Holt.
Crown sound. I ain't afraid of no
sound. You know what to do with your laptop, man?
No sound, why? Remember that, I say so. Pick up your laptop and throw it away, sound boy.
I tell you, Colored, stop making stupid speeches. You're annoying me with it. You understand? You just said again, for the whole public to hear, Dooley, you're not playing nothing I can't play. Stop saying that. That is shit. You understand what he's saying? You understand what he's saying, Colored? Listen again.
Yeah. Last year, I love and blessings be this forevermore. Hardcore sound.
What you just said?
Rastafari.
I can make you study this song here, you bitch, yeah? You think I don't come out? You really think I don't come out, Colored?
Hear my voice, oh God.
How was this?
Preserve my
life. I am going to be that song about the play. Not that both of them on board my place up.
If you want to play...
How much this? I have something to that song over there, so not a boots up them on board them play some garden sale. But guess what? No, they see the garden sale where them play.
You feel you walk and play garden sale, Dooley, what you stink to?
I play too. Now you earthquake play garden sale, man. Punch
here with Dooley.
Super Bobby.
Some more you did now. I know.
You rascal walk and play that? Dooley, you getting on my nerves, though.
Earthquake is broad.
What's the boy here?
Evacuate the premises. Sound boy.
You gotta play, you telling me the left and the clash no start. I meant the Saints. Listen again.
I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills whence cometh my help.
I can make you dig them out, though. You don't want the people know you got there, you fucker.
Dig them out, though. Strength and Redeemer, which
made the dog. I's a dog.
I will not suffer thy foot to be moved.
I's a dog. Play a tune, man.
Slumber. Rastafari. I listen to the first who lives and rules and reign over all living things.
I can make you play tunes if we want the people here.
Hardcore
play, you pump.
Retreat, wicked men of Boagan. Surrender.
Come on.
Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender.
Yeah. I got that, dude. I got that.
Ragamuffin sound, yes. Show them all.
You're in the circle, then. You get the girl to sit tomorrow, bro.
It's an earthquake sound of the rubber dub. So,
I like it. I can make you play a God blade till you got the move.
Can you feel it, move it, groove it? We've got something
expression.
Hardcore, original country talking, call it massive. Original garnet silk, deal with it.
More again.
Hey, listen,
more again. I can make a garnet glass. But you go and listen. Don't feel because I come from New York, easy. You understand? Anytime you see me do this, Colored. Check out the real situation.
Nation war against nation.
I can kill you with you around here, boy.
Next down, yes.
What's the earthquake? So tell you.
Kind. Earthquake so
one of a kind.
Yes.
Which one of a kind, though? Let me go.
Divine. Yes, and that God you were mine.
How you gonna tell me dog in the further? You might start carrying me with that food about dog in the further. We train tune for tune. He might say dog in the further. I want the people to know my boss. All right.
I am one of the ministers, the international.
All right, buddy. It's all right.
Hardcore zone.
Lefty, man.
I'm gonna tell you, say,
grab, cut out that part of the CD.
Yeah, some son boy over there, so running out.
I feel like getting 3 fights on one, I know. How much more I want party still in on?
My grandson, I want to step up and do the case.
I know go play a tune. Twice. I know go play a tune. All right.
Hold on.
Tell me I don't go play tune then. Hardcore, rotate hardcore.
Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound? And what it takes?
Cut that.
Wait now. Earthquake and no sound can never be friends.
Don't get twisted, dude. They go all them too. They go all them. Even though you play the fake pedal, so I go all them. This was real.
Here earthquake comes with knocked up plates and 45s.
I go on there too, dude. Don't get twisted.
You shall follow the sound all the days of your lives. There'll be no sound.
You tell me that again? You don't want me to go to Dennis Brownlee and either? Huh? He bout there begging, people he beg. Color start off with you, we play it, it don't matter if the city out there, who cares? You know what I'm saying? Play some fucking tune and start about there, about don't my dooley don't get the further and all kind of start shit, man. Huh? More you can't name. Get me sick. Dennis Brown dead. Let raise up now. The closest graveyard you can hear.
To the burial ground. Take them to the burial ground.
Color, you what?
To the burial ground.
Color, I know enough of them. They don't got the right. I can rough you up around here, boy. Play some show, man. Big up Bonnie, man. Big up Stag, man. The whole team. Big up everybody.
All of that song to play me good tune.
I can't let go of the boss, Dooley. You're easy. You really want me over that, the boss?
Super Bobby. Original bad boy cockatoo. Come in, Mr. Dennis Brown.
You really want me over the boss with you, Dooley? You know what? Tell them.
Earthquake will always be my sound of life.
That be song for living can be a dead song. I can park up and Johnson the fucking boy. I can hear it no more. You're gonna say
original sounds.
I'm gonna make you play a tune. You're gonna play a tune.
Christ, we're nice. Coming live.
You want more, Dennis?
The bad boy outline himself.
You want more?
Dennis Brown and Little Matter.
Dwight! I can make you spend real ass so money for that song, boy. Let me tell you about hardcore.
Should I never run down. Should I never this hardcore sound.
I normal color though. You go off. I got you typing it all. You don't get time to drink this here.
Keep it coming in.
Tune playing too long, man. Fine tune, man.
Dooley, how easy at all, Dooley? I get over the top, Dooley. You can get crazy wrong here. I can get crazy for you. Cause you see how you going now. It's like you want to hear my box so you can go back and come back. I can let you say tune, Dooley. I can open the box for you. Over the top, real sweet.
Yeah, con man and criminal all tight.
I can open the box for you. Want dead man? I can you dead man, eh?
Oh. Tell the sun go over here to start the sound clash quick. And him start to vomit. Can't get panic.
Big man, the clash start every Saints. I hate to hear people play that. Man, the Saints, ladies, don't start the song clash. Can it start every Saints? Big man, we do every Saints. How you can play that all the way down tune for tune? That man, the Saints. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? You see me? Look at me, good colored. I go in court tomorrow. You ever tell you? I go in court tomorrow. A lot of people don't know. Ain't a court tax on there, right? I go in court tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So when they get court, here what gonna happen when they get court. Listen, no, serious. Listen, this gonna hurt your feelings. Listen.
Big up hardcore movements. Pablo P, Mikey Dunn, DJ Bones, Slim, Dooley, Pluto this.
Colored, don't ever say go and you can't play here.
Oh Lord, anybody see my child grief alright?